There's the kind of filth and grease that laughs at regular pressure washers. That's when you need the nuclear option, a powerful hot water pressure washer. Hot water doesn't just clean differently, it cleans in a completely different league. We're talking about temperatures that literally melt grease on contact and dissolve years of accumulated crud in ways that cold water can only dream about. At Universal Trailer and American Waterworks, we've been helping contractors, fleet managers, and facility owners tackle their toughest cleaning challenges for decades. Our hot water pressure washer trailers aren't just powerful. They're built like tanks and engineered to handle whatever you throw at them, day after day, year after year. Whether you're cleaning heavy machinery, restaurant equipment, or industrial facilities, these units cut through grime like it's butter. Stop fighting losing battles with inferior equipment. Contact us today and discover what real cleaning power looks like.